I'm Mike Apelons from Columbia Station, Ohio. This is another one of my vans. I also own Vanderine and Squirt, and this one was almost a fluke. It was going to become a parts vehicle, and I started looking at it, put it back together. It needed a roof because of rust and a bad vinyl top job. Back in the day, that was the hottest thing to do, was put vinyl tops on. Please don't do it. It was so much work. The whole inner structure was bad. Sat out in the field for years with a bad motor, and I decided to put it back together, get it back on the road.
The sunroof's in it or no?
The sunroof was in it. The only thing I added is I made it a power moonroof. The demise of this van, I believe, was the motor was blown up in it, and it kind of got pushed off to the side. And so now I've got a 355 in it, runs great, take me anywhere. It was just, I wanted to keep the patina look, so all I did is polish what was there. It's missing a lot of pinstripes. Everybody says, oh, you should redo it and everything. I kind of liked the way it was back in the day. And it was featured in a magazine in March of '86, and it's almost identical the way it was back in the day as far as matching the magazine. It was so rusted that I had to change the actual structure of the van. So we braced the vehicle, took the entire roof structure out of it, got a donor vehicle. I sectioned it here at the post by the windshield. Is the only actual splicing I had to do. Everything else was at all the main structure points of it. So yeah, all the flares, those are all the way they were. The only thing I got rid of was the wooden running boards. I covered them in metal, and it doesn't have wire wheels like it shows in the magazine. And I took all the interior out of this vehicle, steam cleaned it all, treated all the wood from the backside with kills, you know, to get rid of any mildewy smell, because it was taking on water for some years. And what you see is what was in it. I just cleaned and restored.
Now, how long did it take you?
This took me on and off. If I had to work on it straight, since I am in the business, it probably took me 3 weeks. And the funny part is I was able to paint the roof on sawhorses before I even installed it on the vehicle, because I didn't have to paint below or above the red on the roof. And that's the magazine it was in.
The mirror and all that was in there already?
Yes,
Yeah.
Just the way you see it.
Oh.
Front seats were changed. They're not, it's something I had because it came with no front seats.
Oh, it didn't have any front seats?
Nope, no, not when I got it. Like I said, it was pretty rough shape when I got this vehicle. I added air conditioning to it out of a donor.
Oh, nice, yeah.
But I tried keeping as much original as I could as far as looks. And it's just a fun driver. And at night it's kind of neat too. Cool. Pretty neat too. It all lights up red. Yeah. It was redone many years ago. I'm not exactly sure. This van originated from Michigan. The original owner was Sean Bagos of Sterling Heights, Michigan. And I've seen quite a few pictures of this back in the day. I think it's a popular van. That says, I like that old time rock and roll. But she's a little faded out.
Now, is there anything you know about this?
About the mural? No. I've got some pictures of it back when it was first done, and it was very nice. But like I said, this was out in the field for years. So, but it didn't shine back up too bad, considering what it was.